Did you know that you can make a natural enhancer at home using ingredients that are easily found in any market? All of this is possible thanks to L-citrulline, an amino acid that can improve circulation and promote firmer erections. In today's video, I will share a simple recipe that, with just 1 glass a day, will help boost your performance. Hello friends! It's a pleasure to have you back on the channel. Today, we'll talk about L-citrulline, an amino acid found in various accessible foods that you can easily incorporate into your diet. This recipe will provide you with an optimal dose of L-citrulline in a practical way, using ingredients that are within everyone's reach. Erectile dysfunction is defined as the difficulty in achieving or maintaining an erection that allows for a satisfying sexual experience. Many people facing this issue seek natural alternatives to enhance their performance, and this is where a key amino acid comes into play, L-citrulline. This compound is converted into L-arginine within the body, and in turn, L-arginine stimulates the production of nitric oxide. This neurotransmitter is essential as it acts as the key that opens blood vessels, allowing increased blood flow to the penis and facilitating an erection. Now that you understand how this process works, let's move on to the most interesting part of the video, the recipe to naturally improve your erections. To prepare this recipe, you will need 1/4 of a watermelon, a fruit with a high L-citrulline content, a cucumber, which is also an excellent source of this amino acid, and an apple to enhance the flavor, since cucumber isn't exactly the most delicious ingredient. The process is very simple. Chop all the ingredients, put them in a blender, and blend well. Once ready, just drink this juice once a day. With this recipe, you will get approximately 1.5 grams of L-citrulline daily, an ideal amount to improve circulation and promote firmer erections. I encourage you to try this natural option and share in the comments if it worked for you or if you know of another recipe that might be even more effective. I'll be reading and responding to your messages. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and share it so more people can benefit from this recipe. A big hug, and thank you so much for all your support. See you in the next video.